All right, what is going on YouTube? What's happening? I hope you guys are doing great. Back again for another video today. We're doing a trade review. I'm just going over my trades for this week. I let you guys down. I didn't do any live trading this week. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it with everything that I got. Everything that I got going on. It shouldn't be that bad, but honestly, I'm just making excuses. Like, I just didn't record live this week, but I'm gonna try to do it next week. But for now, today is Sunday. I think it's the 12th of October. I'm about to go through the trades that we took this week. So yeah, let's dive in. So if you can see here, you've seen this trade from Monday. I believe I already posted the video of that. So this was the Monday trade. We took a loss on Tuesday, took 4 trades. We won Wednesday and we won on Thursday. This week was pretty good overall. I feel pretty good. I feel like I followed my strategy really well. We're gonna go over the 3 trades from Tuesday. I have the 4 trades from this day. Just because the last trade that I took on Tuesday was, I got stopped out due to my max daily loss limit. Tradeovate has a feature on there where you can take or close, it'll force close you out of any position that you're in when you reach your max daily drawdown. That's really good for me and my psychology, so I'll keep that on. I don't want to waste too much time. I don't want this video to be too long. So I am going to start here. Okay, so this was one of the trades that we took on the losing day. I want to kind of go in order because they kind of stacked up against each other. So all right, yeah, this was the first trade. Off rip, I can already see that if you look at the 13 and the 50 moving average, we had just had a cross here. So any kind of sells already are risky. You see we're consistently breaking structure to the upside. So I really don't know. I had no confluence other than this supply zone I was thinking, and then this imbalance here. There was no wick here. I know that's not that's not reliable, you know what I mean? So yeah, I was originally playing off the supply zone. I was thinking I was gonna have a good risk to reward, so I took, and I did. You know, I only lost 46 bucks, so it wasn't something that's too crazy. But with my max daily drawdown being $150, that's actually like a regular losing trade for me. But yeah, so that's what happened. And then I believe you can see we just went into immediately basically into drawdown. I ended up covering right there. So yeah, that was that trade. Nothing too crazy on that one. So then we took this. I believe this was the first trade that we took. Already we can see that so it didn't even, I think I was looking at this demand or this supply zone right here, but it didn't even get up there. Like, so this would not have even touched anyway. So I believe I got in, maybe this was it closed below 13 on my broker. Is the only thing I could imagine that would give me the confluence to take this. But either way, this was not a valid supply zone, because you see we didn't get any break of structure. This would have been the minor break of structure here with this candle, and we didn't even get that. So I had no reason to be taking this trade, and we had a wick. It tried to push past it and it didn't. So yeah, it was just, I shouldn't have been taking buys here. And see, this usually doesn't happen when my trades win. They usually they either start going into profit really fast, and when they just like hesitate and play around like they're doing here, so you already covered. So I covered both the losses here, and this was still bad execution because you know, this trade could have, who knows if this trade would have won or not. I don't believe it did. I believe it ended up pushing up here something crazy, but either way, you can see where my head space was. I definitely was probably close to tilt on this trade. And I don't know what was going on. Maybe I stayed up late that night. It could have been some stuff going on like that. I do that sometimes. So yeah, this trade was just a loser. So okay, so then I called myself, giving myself one more chance to take the trade off of this supply zone. I was like, okay, maybe it just wants to actually reach up to this supply zone, and then maybe it'll crash from there. But obviously that didn't end up happening either. So yeah, I believe we ended up getting the tap. We did tap into the zone, but you can see even this was a low probability supply zone. This zone had already been tapped into with this wick right here. So that wasn't even a good trade. So yeah, I'd already covered. I probably realized like, hey, after we got that strong close like that, broke that, the way it broke it, it was just already over with. So we took that little $24 loss, which is what got us our losing day on Tuesday. And then we took, I think I tried to get back in when the market started going in my favor, but it was like choppy. So I ended up getting pushed out due to, like I said, max daily drawdown. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. That was the losing day that we took here. Like I said, the last trade ended up getting pushed out due to my max daily drawdown, and I didn't take any more trades. I believe I might have taken a trade on I switched over to the Apex account, which by the way, we are only like $500 away from passing the 50K Apex funded challenge, and then we'll get that live account. So that's a little update for you guys. But yeah, other than that, I will see you guys on the next trade review. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you see anything in here that you see could be improved, or you know, anything that you want to see in future videos, then let me know, and I will definitely get that for you. But until then, I will see you guys later. Have a great day, great evening. Whenever you're watching this, just have a great experience. Give gratitude, and be blessed. Peace.